Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. I got a new toy. Thought you might like to see what it does. So like I said in my previous videos, I've been trying to learn Fusion 360. I've been making some cool stuff and I've been trying to print it on I had a Ender printers, like the super cheap ones you get for sale at Micro Center for $100. I think it was an Ender Pro version 3. Anyways, the cheapest one you could get, and it very frustrating because I'd had to sit there and babysit them to get them to print. Well, we finally got a new printer. This is the Bamboo P1S with the AMS on it, so it can change colors of filament, and it has been sweet. And I tell you what, I've got this this French cleat rail that goes all the way around here, around the shop, and I had been printing hooks on my Creality machines very frustratingly, because they always came out poor quality. Came out with I designed a new style of hook that instead of there's one up there, but instead of an actual like plastic hook, it has a number 8 screw, bolt, machine screw in it. And believe it or not, I printed these out. I designed them on Fusion. So right here you can see they're recessed here for the bolt. And I have them threaded in there for the bolt, and I could take this off of the printer bed and screw this bolt straight into the plastic, and it works, which is mind-blowing to me. I don't know why that's so amazing, but it's really cool to me. So now I can hang stuff directly from the bolt without doing like a dangly wire thing like I did over here. So anyways, this is the Bamboo P1S, and it is pretty sweet. Here's the AMS that sucks it in and sticks it into the back of the machine. There's where all the poo comes out when it's changing colors. And here is a tiny man inside of a bunch of tree supports, because I was hanging out with my neighbor last night who does HO scale model trains. So we now have a tiny crate and tiny wheelbarrow and tiny people. But anyways, I thought I would just show that off. It's pretty cool. It's one of the simplest machines. I shouldn't say the simplest. It's one of the It just works. It just works. And it's really great. It just works. I think I've got 20 hours on it so far. Some designs I made myself. Some I just printed out. But, you got your just in case. Get it? Haha. So, I got some Christmas presents going there. But anyways, I just wanted to show off this Bamboo P1S. It's been pretty nifty so far. It's got some features like a built-in camera and built-in lights, stuff that my Enders could only dream of, and it's been pretty cool so far. So you go in the shop and work on something.